A&H Consultants. Welcome to this video on Perplexity AI. We'll explore how this AI-powered answer engine is reshaping search, research, and workplace productivity with a focus on real-time, cited results. In this video, we'll cover 6 key areas: the foundational history of Perplexity, how to get started, mastering the tool, its real-world impact, evaluating its effectiveness, and a look at the future. Perplexity AI is an answer engine, not a standard chatbot. It differentiates itself through real-time web retrieval, LLM-based reasoning, and clear, inline citations for every claim it makes. Since its founding in August 2022, Perplexity has grown rapidly. From its post-ChatGPT launch to achieving unicorn status in 2024 and expanding into browser technology and agentic AI, it has scaled significantly. The Perplexity pipeline is designed for speed and accuracy. It processes your natural language query, performs live web searches, selects the most relevant sources, uses AI to synthesize the information, and provides a cited answer. Perplexity offers a suite of core features: real-time search, transparent citations, deep research for multi-step investigations, collections for organizing projects, and support for file, image, and voice inputs. Getting started is straightforward. Visit the website or download the app, sign up using your preferred account method, verify your email, complete your profile, and take the guided dashboard tour. The interface is consistent across platforms, featuring a central search box, a sidebar for library discover and settings, and a main workspace for your annotated research threads. To get the most out of Perplexity, follow a simple workflow. Search, research deeper, summarize, compare alternatives, analyze, generate content, export your results, and share them with your team. Mastering prompt engineering will enhance your results. Key prompt types include basic, detailed, role-based, research, business, marketing, HR, coding, learning, and comparison-style queries. See how professionals across different fields use these prompts to gain an edge, from students conducting research to HR professionals screening resumes and developers debugging code. Perplexity serves as a versatile research layer for every department, including finance for regulatory analysis, product for customer insights, and management for high-level strategic decision support. By adopting Perplexity, organizations can significantly reduce the time spent on manual research, reporting, and analysis, freeing up employees to focus on more high-value tasks. When compared to other models, Perplexity stands out for its citation transparency and real-time search capabilities, while other models may excel in creative writing or complex coding tasks. To wrap up, Perplexity's core pros include its speed, accurate information, easy interface, and its ability to provide cited, reliable research with minimal hallucinations. While Perplexity offers powerful research capabilities, it does have limitations. It requires an active internet connection, and like other tools, it can sometimes produce results with limited creativity or occasional incorrect sources. Users should also consider subscription costs for advanced features, data privacy settings, and the fact that some highly specialized features are restricted to Pro or Enterprise tiers. Looking ahead, the roadmap for Perplexity points toward autonomous AI agents, deeper enterprise integration, and specialized research modes tailored for the finance, healthcare, and education sectors. To work responsibly, always verify critical facts, document your use of the tool in reports, and remain mindful of ethics and bias. Thank you for watching this briefing.